One bright morning, Zayan and Sara were playing happily in the garden. The flowers were colourful, and the air felt warm and peaceful. Suddenly, they heard a soft chirping sound. It sounded small and a little sad. Zayan and Sara stopped and listened carefully. On the ground, they saw a little bird. The bird looked tired and could not fly. Zayan felt worried and moved closer. Ere stayed calm and smiled gently. She said, "Don't worry, Zayan. Let's help together." They brought a small box and placed a soft cloth inside. They made a safe and cozy place for the little bird. Sara gave the bird some water. Zayan waited quietly. After some time, the bird felt better. It flapped its wings and flew up into the sky. Zayan and Sara smiled with happiness. Helping others made their hearts feel proud and calm. Zayan and Sara learned that caring for small lives makes us kind and brave. Always help when you can.